Hello everyone, it's Jennifer. Thank you for stopping by Scrapbooks and Memories. It is a new month. We are in May, and for our hashtag Ephemera Madness 25 prompt, it is retro and or collage. So if you would like to join in, just go ahead and make something with those two prompts. Use hashtag Ephemera Madness 25 and tag me at Scrapbooks and Memories. So for this month's prompt, I had a lot of fun. I did pop art collages, masterboards for the prompt. I had a lot of fun. I was thinking retro. I didn't want to do like vintage necessarily. So I went ahead and went on the free image site Pixabay, I think that's what it's called, and I downloaded some really cool pop art images, and most of them are from the 90s. So these are the two that I did. We'll go through them individually. Get a close up here. And I just love the colors. This pink back here with the glitter, that is from a gift bag. I really wanted something bright, and I wanted something that had polka dots on it. So I also used this background of this white paper with the gold polka dots on it. And then I just went ahead and layered a bunch of images, fussy cut them out, and then just layered them all on top of each other. So super cute. This was the first pop art one I did. Love how these came out. Now, thinking of just cutting it straight down, and then a half here, and then cut it right there, and then I have like journaling cards or really large tags. When I made these, I did kind of arrange my pieces. I thought about where I wanted them to go. I thought about how I was going to cut them out, and what I was going to make with them. So for this one, I was thinking about making maybe a couple tags, but maybe mostly journaling, large journaling cards. I could cut it right here, and then like right here, and it'll make another one. And then we'll have this area for something, and this could be like maybe a long tag. I'll figure it out. But I just love, love, love these pop art images, how they came out. Lots of fun little details on them, and I just love aesthetically how they came out. I think they're just so flippin' fun and cute. Now these were the second ones I did. I started off creating this one here. Now this is a totally different take. This one, I made it more grungy. The retro is the music. These are just some of my favorite bands. I listen to a lot of music. I have a lot of favorite bands, but these are a few of my favorite. We have The Doors, Jim Morrison. I love Jim Morrison. Susie and the Banshees, The Cure, of course, Jimi Hendrix, Bauhaus. Love my Bauhaus. And I love Depeche Mode. And then we got some New Order. But on here was really fun. Let me get close up here. I did markings with pen. I did some stenciling with paint. I did green, and then I went over it after it dried and went on with some white. I put some gold foiling. I did some cross hatching. I think I even went, here's some butterfly wings. I think I even went with some sandpaper and like tried to like grit it up. And then I went over that with a little bit of my Distress Oxide, the vintage photo. And I really like how this one came out too. I think this one's going to be super fun to use for something one day. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Let me know which one of these masterboards, retro theme masterboards, are your favorites. And I can't wait to see what everyone else is creating. A lot of ladies have been participating in this collaboration, so thank you everyone who's jumped in and out. Just a reminder, at the end of the year, there will be a giveaway winner from the people who participate each month and use a prompt. I save your photo. I save your video, put it in a playlist, and at the end of each month, I go and I write down everyone's names, and I stick them in a little jar. So at the end of the year, we're going to have another winner for Ephemera Madness 25. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.